Hello students, myself Zofisha Rizvi. Today I am going to teach you about lesson first, resources and development of geography from social science of class 10th. In this lesson we will discuss about resources and development. So students, as we know that everything available in our environment which we can use to fulfill our needs and which is technologically possible to our reach, economically possible to transform in the form of any material, and they are also culturally acceptable is known as resource. In short, we can say that anything which is available in nature or environment, technologically it can transform into a valuable thing for human being is termed as resource. But the transformation of things which is available in our environment can be possible by interdependent relationship between nature, technology and institutions. As we can see in this diagram that human being is the most important and most essential component for the transformation of any thing into a resource that is available in our nature. With the help of technology we can transform any raw material or anything into a more valuable resource. In this way human beings interact with nature with the help of technology and develop institutions for economic development. Can we think that resources are free gifts of nature as it is accepted by many? No, because resources are a major function of human activities. Human beings are most important components of resources because they transform material from environment into more valuable things or resources and utilize them for the growth or development. Thank you students.